Your home shouldn't wear you out. It's time to stop spending hours on cleaning tasks that should take minutes. If you're ready to transform your living space without breaking your back, you've landed in exactly the right place. On Seniors Cleaning Hacks, we show you the methods that actually save energy, money, and frustration, not the fancy Instagram tricks that waste your time. Don't scroll past this one. If you're someone who believes cleaning should be simpler, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest strategies. We'd love to have you be part of this community. If this video helps you today, drop a like and share it with someone who needs to see this. What we're sharing today has nothing to do with those complicated cleaning trends you see online. These are genuine, practical methods that work because they make sense. They're a bit unconventional, but they genuinely solve those annoying household problems that make living at home feel harder than it has to be. Let's get straight into these game-changing hacks that'll transform how you keep your home clean and organized. Hack number 1, the pillowcase method for ceiling fans. When cleaning ceiling fans the traditional way, dust particles float down everywhere, into your hair, onto your furniture, across your flooring. There's a smarter approach that keeps everything contained. Take an old pillowcase and carefully slide it over one blade at a time. Then pull it away slowly. All the collected dust stays trapped inside the pillowcase instead of spreading throughout your room. Move to the next blade and repeat. The remaining fabric can even be used to wipe down the rest of your light fixture. This method is simple, effective, and keeps your living space much cleaner during the process. Hack number 2, using a hairdryer and dryer sheet for faux plants. Artificial trees and decorative plants gather dust incredibly fast, and touching each leaf individually takes forever. There's a much faster way. Start by using a hairdryer on a low setting to blow away loose dust. You'll be surprised how much comes off. Then take a dryer sheet and gently wipe the leaves. This does two things. It removes remaining dust and creates a protective coating that helps prevent dust from settling back quickly. The leaves stay cleaner longer without needing constant attention. Hack number 3, lint roller for lampshades. Fabric lampshades become lint magnets over time. Vacuuming them risks damage and requires awkward positioning. A lint roller solves this problem in seconds. Simply roll it gently across the surface. It lifts away surprising amounts of dust without damaging the shade or pressing it out of shape. This is one of the quickest and most effective cleaning methods available.
Hack number 4, steam for reshaping fake greenery. Artificial plants often look stiff and obviously fake. Heat changes everything. Use a clothing steamer, a compact model works perfectly, and hold the stems while gently steaming them. The heat softens the plastic just enough so leaves can be bent and shaped into more natural positions. Leaves will hang more realistically, and the entire plant suddenly looks better. When positioning stems in containers, bend them up and down in different directions for an even more authentic appearance. Hack number 5, special cleaner for set-in fabric stains. Tough stains that seem permanent don't have to stay that way. A specialty fabric cleaner works remarkably well on dried-in stains. Before using it everywhere, test any cleaner on a hidden area of the fabric first. Once you've confirmed it's safe, apply it to stained areas. This product has successfully removed stains from clothing, upholstered furniture, and cushions that would otherwise be considered ruined. Give it time to work, and results are often impressive. Hack number 6, homemade grease cutting spray. You don't need expensive cleaning products for tough grease and grime. Making your own version at home is affordable and effective. Mix together 1/4 cup of basic dish soap, 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 1/2 cup of water. Pour this into a spray bottle. The mixture costs very little to prepare, smells fresh, and works surprisingly well on greasy surfaces. It's an excellent alternative to buying commercial cleaning sprays repeatedly.
Hack 7, shelf liner to prevent bench cushions sliding. Cushions that constantly slide forward are frustrating and dangerous. A simple solution exists that nobody thinks about. Place rubber shelf liner underneath the cushion. It stays invisible but creates enough grip that the cushion remains exactly where you position it. No more creeping forward, no more cushions ending up on the floor. This same method works under smaller area rugs to keep them in place as well. Hack 8. Furniture jack for changing rugs under beds. Changing area rugs under beds typically requires 2 people and leaves your back sore. A furniture jack makes it a solo project. Use the jack to lift one side of the bed carefully. Roll the old rug partway toward the center, move the jack to the newly exposed floor space, and lift again, allowing you to remove the entire rug. Installing a new rug works the same way in reverse. This method transforms a frustrating 2-person job into something manageable in about 15 minutes. Hack 9. Rubber bumpers for hanging artwork. Frames shift over time and end up tilted. Constant straightening becomes annoying. Apply small dots of hot glue on the back bottom corners to act as cushioning bumpers. These protect your walls, keep frames from sliding, and stop that gradual tilting that happens naturally. This approach costs less and works faster than purchasing specialized rubber bumpers.
Hack number 10. Making curtains from flat sheets. Beautiful, flowing curtains don't require expensive purchases. Flat sheets create surprisingly elegant window treatments. Take 2 flat sheets and cut each one vertically down the middle. If your sheets have decorative ruffle details, that becomes your bottom hem automatically. Hem the cut edges using a sewing machine or iron-on hem tape if you prefer not to sew. Attach using curtain clips and rings on a standard rod. The result is soft, full, custom-looking curtains for a fraction of retail prices. Hack number 11. Plate racks for kitchen organization. Storing pot lids and cutting boards in cabinets leads to chaos. Everything topples over constantly. Plate racks from furniture retailers work perfectly for this purpose. Lids stand upright instead of stacking. Cutting boards stay visible and accessible. Trays organize neatly without avalanching when you open cabinet doors. These racks are affordable and readily available everywhere. Hack number 12. Shower curtain rings for accessories. Scarves and belts disappear in drawers and closets. Finding what you want becomes impossible. Clip these items onto shower curtain rings and attach those rings to a standard hanger. Hang it in your closet and everything stays visible, organized, and easy to grab. This method uses almost no space while keeping your accessories completely accessible and visible. Hack 13. Hiding power strips in decorative containers. Visible power cords and charging cables create visual clutter. A decorative container solves this elegantly. Place a power strip inside a basket or attractive box designed for this purpose. These containers typically feature a small opening where charging cables can exit. Everything still functions normally, but the appearance is significantly cleaner and more organized. The setup looks intentional rather than messy. Hack 14. Command hooks on cabinet door interiors. The backs of cabinet doors represent unused storage space that most people overlook completely. Install command hooks on the inside surface and hang frequently used items like measuring cups, cleaning cloths, or kitchen aprons. This keeps everyday items accessible without consuming drawer space. It's perfect for things you grab regularly but don't want scattered around countertops. Hack 15. Microfiber cloth in the shower. Soap residue builds up gradually on shower glass, eventually requiring heavy scrubbing. Prevention works better than removal. Keep a microfiber cloth or squeegee right inside the shower. After each use, do a quick wipe down while everything is warm and steamy. Soap scum never gets a chance to accumulate significantly. This means you almost never need to perform deep cleaning on your shower surfaces. Store it in an accessible spot right where you shower.
Hack number 16. Dryer sheets for baseboard cleaning. Baseboards gather dust constantly, making them look dingy. Traditional cleaning methods are time-consuming. Dryer sheets clean baseboards remarkably well and leave behind a light residue that repels dust accumulation. They're particularly effective at preventing pet fur from settling on baseboards. Your baseboards not only get cleaner, but stay cleaner much longer with this method. This technique works wonderfully in high-traffic areas. Hack number 17. Wax paper for chrome faucets. Water spots and fingerprints constantly appear on shiny chrome faucets. Keeping them polished takes effort. After cleaning your faucet normally, rub wax paper across the entire surface. It leaves an invisible protective layer that repels water and reduces fingerprints. Your faucet stays shiny and clean-looking far longer without constant wiping and polishing. Hack number 18. Painter's tape for perfectly level artwork. Hanging pictures straight and centered feels impossible for most people. Crooked frames are frustrating. Place painter's tape across the back of the frame over the hanging hardware. Mark exactly where the hardware sits using a marker. Place that tape on your wall where the artwork should go, using a level to ensure it's perfectly straight. Install your screws or anchors directly where marked. Remove the tape and hang your frame. Result: perfectly placed, perfectly level artwork on the first attempt. Hack number 19. Cutting board over the sink. Small kitchens present constant space challenges during cooking and entertaining. Lay a cutting board across your sink opening and instantly gain additional counter space. Purchase a board large enough to rest securely over your sink, or buy models made specifically for this purpose. This technique is especially valuable in compact kitchens during food preparation or when hosting guests. Hack number 20. Slip spray for peel and stick wallpaper. Adhesive wallpaper frustrates most people because it's extremely sticky and difficult to reposition once it touches the wall. Spray the wall surface first with a product that creates slip, allowing the wallpaper to glide smoothly. This means you can slide the wallpaper around and adjust positioning until it's exactly right without tearing or causing adhesion problems. Once everything dries properly, the wallpaper adheres normally. This converts a stressful one-shot task into something relaxed, where you can take your time getting it perfect. Hack number 21. Homemade toilet freshener tablets. Commercial toilet fresheners add chemicals unnecessarily. Creating your own is simple and natural. Mix 3/4 cup of baking soda with 1/4 cup of citric acid. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lightly spray with water until the mixture just starts holding together. Press everything into silicone molds and allow to dry completely. Drop one tablet into the toilet when needed. They quietly freshen the space without any extra effort required. Hack number 22. Coffee grounds and baking soda for odor elimination. Refrigerators and under-sink spaces develop unpleasant smells over time. Chemical air fresheners aren't always the answer. Place a small bowl containing coffee grounds, baking soda, or both in problem areas. Coffee grounds absorb odors, while baking soda neutralizes them. Together, they eliminate bad smells naturally without harsh chemicals. This combination works consistently in rental properties and permanent homes alike. Hack number 23. Basket on stairs for efficient transport. Carrying items between different home levels one piece at a time wastes energy and time. Keep a basket at the bottom of your stairs. Place anything that needs to go upstairs in this basket. Take one trip upstairs and distribute items to their proper locations. This eliminates constant back and forth journeys throughout the day, conserving energy significantly. Hack number 24. Battery-powered lamp hack. Thrift stores offer wonderful lamp bases and shades at bargain prices, but most come with cords you don't want. Attach a battery-powered puck light on top of any thrift store lamp base and shade. Instantly, you have a cordless lamp that can sit anywhere in your home. This DIY approach costs very little and provides flexibility traditional lamps cannot offer. Hack number 25. Homemade reed diffuser. Commercial diffusers cost money and require refilling. Making your own is straightforward and affordable. Pour carrier oil into a small jar and add 20 to 30 drops of essential oil. Place diffuser reeds inside and allow them to absorb the oil. The scent releases slowly throughout the day, freshening your space without plugs, flames, or needing to remember anything. This is one of those small touches that makes your entire home smell better and feel more welcoming. Every single one of these methods solves real problems that make home maintenance frustrating. Choosing even a few of these techniques will genuinely improve your daily experience at home. Share with us in the comments which of these strategies you found most helpful and which one you're planning to try first. If this video made your day easier, that's a complete success for us. Like this video if it provided value, and subscribe to the Seniors Cleaning Hacks channel so you never miss future content designed to make your life simpler. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with more practical solutions that make home living easier.